Hi, and welcome to the Small Biz Money Manager template in Airtable. I'm so glad you're here. Let's just jump right into it. The monthly checklist is just an example of things you should do each month: recording income, expenses, filing receipts, whether it's paper or a digital copy. Review your income, make sure it makes sense, and review expenses. Look for places to cut or plan ahead for unusual expenses that are coming up next month. Finally, you need to review your profit. That's income minus expenses. Is that enough? Are you able to pay yourself? Because that is the end goal of having your own business. As you go through this checklist each month, you just choose the status from the drop-down menu. So done, to do, or follow up if you get interrupted or have any things you need to question later on. The first time you actually use this template, you're going to click on the recurring expenses tab and put in things that are subscriptions, basically. So you can do this each month as you come across those expenses, but I like to go through like a whole year's worth of data at a time and pull these things out so you know. So just enter the description, vendor, whatever makes sense to you, the amount, and then choose the month, including all months, that it hits your bank account so you can plan ahead. There's the grid view where you can add things, and then there's also the by month view that is grouped by month. So you kind of get an idea. Like for me, January is a big month for subscriptions, so I need to plan ahead for that. The very first time you use this base, make sure that you enter your income types here. You could just have one, you could have more. Customize this to what makes sense for your business. You also need to do the same thing with the expense configuration tab. I've added a bunch, but you can delete them, add them, change them, whatever makes sense in your business. And this input tab is blank because the important one is this cash flow. So you are going to enter down here, just click the plus sign, and enter your data. I put in a couple examples, but basically it is filtered by year and then by month. So it gives you your net income for the year up here. Income, there's total income, total expenses, net income is right here. You can filter or drill down by month to see detail about your digital sales, your automobile expenses, whatever. You can add descriptions, add an invoice or a reference number, upload a receipt. Highly recommend that. Make sure you keep your receipts for 7 years after the end of the tax year, just in case you are audited. And there are different views over here too. So there's the expense category view, which has things grouped by the expense type under the year. So you know at a glance that you've spent $94 on automobile expenses and that your total expenses for the year are $394. That allows you to make better decisions down the road. There's also the income category view, so you know at a glance that service income provides more income than digital sales. And you can also see your total income for the year. So all of these numbers are really powerful data that allow you to make better decisions. If you have someone helping you in your business, or you just like a form version of data entry better, click on interfaces and then come over here to form, copy link, and you can share this view with a VA who's helping you, or you can enter information yourself here. After you click submit, it will populate in here. So it's all connected. It's all pretty easy to use, but it's super powerful. If you have questions or would like more bookkeeping support, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information and a little bit about me is on this first hello page. And I hope you enjoy this Airtable database.